Welcome to another unboxing video of the S21 Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So this is how the box looks like. Yeah, now this variant is a 12 GB RAM and a 256 GB internal hard drive. So yeah, so this is how the box looks like on the side and this side. And this is a phantom silver, as it says on the box, and this version is an Exynos processor. So let's unbox it now. Reveal the phone for the first time. There's the phone itself. Okay, it is. Now other things that comes with the box, as you know, after the iPhone they've taken off the charger, so this Galaxy, Samsung also are following the same thing. So it doesn't come, it just comes with a cable in the box, and that's it. That's pretty much it. They don't have anything else, just this. So this is how the phone just looks on its own. And this is just a quick unboxing just to show you how it looks, the side. And this has like a multicolored different I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It has different, like a text, like a rainbow shimmer to it. Okay, and I think this is the periscope camera, and these are the normal wide angle and the ultra wide, along with the laser autofocus right there. So yeah, it's a quick unboxing just to show you what it comes with, and we'll come back to you on a detailed review video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.